Hello, Chef here. I'm in one of the chef's gardens and I've got a couple different types of basil here I wanted to talk about. If you want to learn more about basil, subscribe right here. Search basil on the channel. There's some pesto recipes, there's some growing tips and different things. Today I just wanted to share with you two kinds of basil that I'm harvesting. I've got one right here. This is a beautiful Thai basil. You can see the color has a lot of purple to it, and it's a purplish green, and it smells very strong and lemony, very different than the sweet basil. Sweet basil is this one right here, and the sweet basil is strong and good as well. Chef here. I wanted to share with you a mixture of two kinds of basil and some fresh oregano chopped up, made into a marinade for chicken. So when I'm picking my basil, I prefer to use scissors and just snip it off because it will grow back more uniform and thicker, and wow, looks really good. Also, you want to remove many of these small buds before they turn to seed, because they taste exactly like the leaves, well, just about, and that will help the plant multiply. I'm making a pesto, by the way. Oh, pesto, look at that. Search the channel. Wow, pesto pizza. Oh, it's gonna be good. Oh yeah, check out the Japanese knives and the butcher blocks on the channel. Search pesto, search herbs, and of course look at the pizzas while you're there too. Oh, it's gonna be good. In my kitchens, I have several. This one here is going on, oh, I think this end grain rock maple is over 20 years old now. It's been cut on a million times. The knife does not hurt it. It's the hardest surface you want for your knife contact, like this. Cutting, chopping, slicing, dicing will not hurt the knife blade, will not hurt the block. Check your sponsor there. They're having a free shipping sale. Exceptional. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes, with a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5 inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. So the mystery oil is applied in a circular motion. You're gonna like it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,